Hello students, today we'll be doing exercise 3.3 and we'll continue with from question number 3. And to do this question number 3, we need to know one new formula which I've written here. This is quadratic formula, and we will understand this before doing this question number 3. Look, we can use this formula in question number 2 also, but here we are doing those questions which are important from the examination point of view. Okay, so do pay attention here to understand this formula. As you can see, this equation just below quadratic formula I have written one equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, is not it? This is quadratic equation because here highest power is 2, and other than that we don't see any more bigger power than 2. So this is definitely quadratic equation, and a is not equal to 0, right? You have to remember, in quadratic equation a cannot be 0. Okay, then this one, x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula, this whole formula is known as quadratic formula. What exactly I am doing here is, see, in this formula on the LHS I have written x. Okay, this x is actually just the variable of that quadratic equation. Recall whatever you have done in this exercise. Whenever you are given some equation with x, you have to find the value of x, like x equal to something something. You are getting like that. So here also we have to find the value of x. So whatever we have to find, we keep them on left LHS. So x equal to, that's on the LHS. Then on RHS, what did I do? I have taken everything from the this equation, a variable part. This coefficient part. So see here, first of all minus b, that means the coefficient of that x, then plus minus, then root over b square. This b is again coefficient of x, and minus 4 is from formula. A and c, this is just a coefficient constant from that equation, by 2a. So 2 is from formula, and a, this is that coefficient. Okay, so you have to remember this formula. If you can understand this formula, if you remember this formula, then you will have many ways to do any question. Okay, so remember this formula. Middle terms are there, then completing the squares are there. This also will help. So question number 3, there are two questions, Roman number 1 and 2, but I'll be doing Roman number 2 because this is little lengthy and somewhat more complex. Okay, now I'll start solving this question. First of all, what do you think we'll do here? Our question is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30, comma, x not equal to 0 minus 4, comma 7. What is this condition? What does this condition means? This condition means that our answer cannot be minus 4 or 7. So if you are getting minus 4 and 7 at the end, that means your answer is wrong. To be careful. Okay, in this type of question, what we should do? We should always take LCM first, and when we take LCM, this x plus 4 and x minus 7, they are not same. Sign different, then number also different. So in this type of case, what we'll do? We'll write both of them in separate brackets. x plus 4 x minus 7. Okay, I have written them. Then alright, you can write this 11 by 30 here. Now what exactly I'm going to do is just like our normal LCM. Suppose you are having 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. What will be your LCM? Your LCM will be 35, isn't it? But instead of writing 35, if you still write it like this, meaning is same. 5 to 7 is 35, 5 into 7 is still 35. So what will you do? You will do something like this. In this case, you will be doing okay. I'll go with another method. Some of you definitely have doubt in this type of question. Suppose 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Our LCM is 35, isn't it? Then what will you do? You will do 5 7 is 35, 7 1 is 7, minus 7 5 is 35, and 5 1 is 5. So your answer is like this. Okay. Now similarly, what you will do here? This 35, instead of writing 35, we will be writing 5 into 7. This final value is ultimately same. Then what I'll do now? 5 is here. First of all, we'll have to finish for this. So this 5 is there, and this 5 is also there. So 5 1s are 5. Now 1 into 7, how much? 7. Okay. Then 7 into that 1, how much? 7. Okay. Now minus. Same like this one, with previous logic. 7 1s are 7. Now 1 into 5 is 5. Now 5 into 1 is what? 5. So ultimately we are getting 2 by 5 into 7, and 5 by 7 is, that means 35. So similarly here we have 1 by this, 1 by this. Our LCM will be this and this. That's what I've written here. Now this x plus 4 is present here already. Now which one is still missing? That is not here. This one. So I will write this x minus 7, and in numerator what is there? 1. So x minus 7 into 1 is this, x minus 7. So I don't need to write anymore. I don't need to write 1. Then minus is minus. Okay. Now let's just like with previous logic. This was here, this was here, so we don't need to write that 1. Only the remaining one, this one into this is this, minus minus. Now this is here, this is here. So which one is remaining? Which one is missing? This one. Okay. So that's what I'm going to write. X plus 4. In numerator we have 1, so no need to write that one. Now this will be as it is, x plus 4 x minus 7. Then here x minus 7 minus x minus 4. I hope you know how I wrote this. Equal to 11 by 30. Then this x, this plus x is minus x, so this is cancelable. Then here it's minus 7 minus 4, minus is plus, so we'll be adding number. 7 plus 4 is 11. Now out of this, which number is bigger? 7. What sign is there with this 7? Minus. So minus. Now here you can do one thing. This is just like x plus a, x plus b formula. So what you can do here, you can write one of them 2 times, what I mean is just this one, x into x minus 7, then plus 4x minus 7 to 11 by 30. Then what you can do here, you could have done this one here also. It's up to you. Whenever you feel wherever you feel comfortable, you can do there. So in this question I'll continue like this. Then x into x is x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Here this is like term, so let's keep it like this. This will be x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Well, here you can cancel this and this also directly. So if you cancel this and this will be just minus 1. Now if you cross multiply completely, this it will be x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 30 into minus 1 is minus 30. Then we will continue, square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. This will be x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, after this step, here you can do middle term also. Answer will still be same, but we'll do with this formula once, quadratic formula. If we have learned them, we should use once this formula once. So here this final equation, x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Here we have a, here we have b, here we have c. Okay, and since we know a, b, c, we can put them in that formula. This one, x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what I'll write after this? Okay, I'm turning the page now. My final equation was x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here, what is our a? What's our a? What do you think? See properly. What's our a? Our a is x, is not it? Now, our a is 1. B, what do you think B is? 3, isn't it? 3 or something else. B is not exact 3, should be minus 3. Whenever minus is there anywhere, you have to take them along. Okay, the next, our C is 2. Okay, so we have written, we know what is A, what is B, what is C. We can put all these values in that formula, quadratic formula. So what I'll write now? Therefore, x equal to, instead of writing this, you can tell it is putting the values of A, B and C quadratic formula. What's the quadratic formula? Here in our question we have variable x, so we can write x equal to minus b, then plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. X we have to find, then minus b. What is our b here? Our b here is minus 3, and we already have this minus for this formula, from formula minus, and this b is minus 3. So what I will do, first of all I am drawing a line, then that minus from formula, then in b we have minus 3, then plus minus. What is our b? B is minus 3, that whole square minus 4. What is our a? A is 1. What is our c? C is 2. Okay, and then below we have 2, and what is our a? A is 1. So if we solve this, 2 1 is 2, then minus minus a is plus, plus 3, then plus minus this one, minus 3 whole square, that means 6, isn't it? Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, or not, students? Nah, not like this. Minus 3 whole square, this is 9, because minus 3 to minus 3 is minus minus plus 2 to is 9. Then minus 4 1 is 4, 2 is 8. So 3 plus minus, this is 9 minus 8 is 1, and this is 2. So plus minus. Look, in this second last step, 3 plus minus root over 9 minus 8 by 2. That 9 minus 8, we know 9 minus 8 is 1, but in this final step I am not writing this root, because root usually starts from 2. Either with 1 we give root, or no, same thing. Hence in the last step, from last step, 3 plus minus 1 by 2, what we will write here? From here we can write something like this. Taking positive term. Look, all this was the value of this was the value of x. So here what I will write, having positive term, x equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. This is 4 by 2 cancel, will get 2, x equal to 2. Then here taking negative term, x equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. We are getting 2 by 2, which means 1. Okay, so we have got x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. If we do this with middle term, we will still get like this. Alright, so you are given any equation, any quadratic equation, you will have many ways to solve them, and this time we are doing a quadratic formula. We should use them, we should know them, just like middle term. Okay, so understand this and solve another question, that is Roman number 1 from question number 3. This was question number Roman number 2. You will do Roman number 1. That's all for this question. I hope you understood properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section or in WhatsApp. Thank you.